As you can see, I'm trying to transfer this movie file from my desktop to this USB flash drive. Now I've had this desktop for well over, oh man, almost 7 years now. So with time, the USB drives can malfunction. As you can see right here, it's been transferring. Look at, you see how that's 0 bytes per second? So when that happens, let me show you this little trick. Just wiggle it a little bit, up and down. You see how that shot up a little bit? Okay, it's still weak, but at least it's better than 0 kilobytes per second. It's supposed to be transferring at like megabytes per second. See, there it goes again. Wiggle it a little bit. Okay. See? I am starting to believe the contact points are perhaps it's dusty or dirty, and I'm wiggling it so it direct metallic contact. That's what I'm guessing. Maybe one of these days I need to blow it into it. But that's just one trick that I wanted to show you guys, that if you encounter the same problem, you might have to play around with it. It's unfortunate that these aren't built to last as long as it should be.